Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I appreciate. So check out all the different platforms. I do appreciate it. Anyway, so earlier I made a video on Bitcoin and I was talking about metaverses. And this is a metaverse. This is Cornucopia. This is one that I'm interested in. Um, I've looked, with all the metaverses coming up, I mean, this is the way stuff is going. We already know this. Uh, but it's just early stages, and there's a whole lot of stuff you can throw your money in. And so I have a couple criteria. Um, like I said, one in the Bitcoin video, one thing that I enjoy is about Cardano is they're talking about education. I think that that is really where it's at. The education system, if you want to see what's going to happen um, tomorrow, then you need to see where the education system's going and where advertisement's going. And those are the two things that, because whatever people grow up with, then that's what they know and that's what they believe, even if it's true or not true. Um, you can, education and the advertising is probably one of the most powerful tools to um, direct a society. So anyway, so I'm big on education. I think that the education system needs to completely change. I think that the teachers should be awarded for their teaching on merit. I think the children should be awarded for their progress in school by merit. And I believe in a merit-based system. I think that we should get rid of we should get rid of all of the um, crappy teachers and put them out of business, send them a bunch of waste of space, send them digging ditches or something, and the good teachers should make a whole lot of money. And that's what I would like to see. I like to see the kids, forget about canceling school debt. I think that the children should make money by educating themselves. If we were, these are just, if you don't agree with me, you don't agree with me, right? But these are just my point of views. I think that if we're concerned about our society and in the direction that it's going, that we should reward people for doing well in it, and that includes education in the very beginning. So anyway, so this is why I like this project, because they have a focus around rewarding people for learning. Now, I haven't seen a whole lot of detail on this, but there's some videos on their website you can check out and that go into it. It's just like every website. You got the tokenomics. They're being launched right now on Pad Network, Paid Network, Ockham5, Vent Finance. Um, and this is being launched right now. The token's being launched now. Unfortunately, I'm in the U.S. and I'm not going to be able to take advantage of their token launch on these platforms because um, people in the U.S. they've made laws where we can't take advantage of them. But um, it's being released on the 10th. Let's see, it's being released on the 10th of December. Right here on PancakeSwap. So the pairing is COPI / BNB. Those are going to be the pair that you can trade. The time is still to be announced, but it is going to be sometime on the 10th of December. So if you're in the U.S. like me and you can't get into one of the initial coin offerings, then I encourage you to be ready for PancakeSwap. Now this is just the initial coin offering for Cornucopia. And there, let's see, if you can, you might be able to, if you're not in the US, you might be able to, let's see, this is the video to watch if you want to try to get into the IDO. This is on their Discord channel. This is a good video, very, very helpful. Unfortunately, if you're in US, it really doesn't help you much, but if you're somewhere else, then this video will help you. And then, like I said, let's see, where was it? It was under announcements. And then the PancakeSwap, the December 10th for the coin. And this is just the coin. We also have a roadmap coming up. The land sale is not going to start until the first quarter of 2022. So we're very early in this project. One of the things that I really like about this project is that if you go on their website and you look at if you go on their website and you look at the couple videos they have on their website, uh, it was one of these. I think it was this video here. Um, they speak of you're going to be able to start as many accounts as you want to. They're going to actually give you a free plot of land. So you get a free plot of land, which is an NFT. Everything in the game is an NFT. Um, you're going to have like this little bubble universe here, right? So this is where you're going to start out. You're going to be able to build that up. Then you're going to be able to go in the cities and do farming resources and all that kind of stuff. And that's where you'll actually buy the land. You're going to be able to find blueprints. You're going to be able to make blueprints with different qualities and make NFTs off your blueprints and sell those blueprints or the items you made to other people. It's very interesting. So you're basically going to be able to create your own NFTs. It's not just going to be NFTs that the founders, the team are making, the programmers. It's actually going to be a system where you can make your own NFTs and you can sell them that will operate in Cornucopia. So there's going to be opportunities for business in that area. And I also, if you watch this video, you can see where they're hinting at other areas where there's going to be lots of opportunity for business. Again, the education, they speak about education. You're going to be rewarded for learning certain things. Now, I'm not sure how in detail that's going to be, but just very interesting. You're going to be able to connect um, you're going to be able to connect the NFTs that you get in Cornucopias and move them to other platforms. There's going to be I think there's going to be many metaverses, but what it looks like is that you're going to be able to transfer them from one from one metaverse to another metaverse, and vice versa, back and forth. Um, and it just goes right along. This is the one that I'm really actually excited about, the most excited about, at least. That I believe in the vision of what these guys are talking about. And I do think this is the way it's going to go. This is if I understand their vision correctly. I did read the white papers, and it really looks like the way things are going. Is this going to be the only one? Is this going to be even one of the major ones? 10 years down the road, I have no idea. But I'm curious enough, and I have enough hope in it that I believe in what they're talking about enough to invest in it. So I will be investing in this one when the coin comes out on the 10th. And then as soon as the land sale is available, I will be purchasing some land. So I wanted to pass this on to you. So you have a couple of days to prepare yourself to get into the initial coin, to pick up some coin right at the beginning. And if I remember correctly on this one, you're also going to be able to pick up the coin for the same price that the pre-sale was. It's going to be released at the same price that the pre-sale was. So um, it's going to be in the game itself. You're going to be able to log in, get as many accounts as you want, and start these little bubble islands. And then you're going to be able to, when you build the bubble islands up, you're going to be able to sell them to somebody else. You go gather your resources, you get them, all that stuff. You build these bubble islands up, they're NFTs, and then you can sell them off in the marketplace after you've built them up to other people. So it's really interesting what's going on. So I like this project, and I just wanted to turn you on to it if you hadn't heard about it yet. This is a very popular project, so you may have already heard about it, but that's just my take on it. And y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time. Hope your trading's going well.